I was really lucky growing up. I had a couple really incredible teachers who just broadened my perspective, taught me new ways of thinking, and really believed that I could do a lot more than I thought I could. And I saw how much influence that had on me growing up and having these confidants and cheerleaders, and people to push you when you needed it. And I wanted to be able to pay a little bit of that forward. I think in teaching, you can inspire kids that you don't know. I really think that the focus needs to stay on getting to know each individual kid, how far you can push them, what is going to encourage them, what are they interested in, how can you use it. I think kids don't really care how much you have to teach them until they know that you care about them as more than a student. And so you really have to start with that foundation. A lot of our students come to us disheartened. They're struggling with something, whether that's grades or just generally feeling unsuccessful. And so usually the first time I talk to the students, they can tell me a lot of things that they are doing poorly, a lot of things that are hard for them, but they usually have a pretty difficult time telling me what they're good at. And I think one of the most gratifying things for me is being able to see the kids come to me a week or 2 or 3 later and want to show me a completed planner or a well-done assignment. And they're proud of it because whether it's going from a D to a C or a C to a B, or maybe it is getting an 100, they feel like they were able to do well. And then they come to me the next week and it's something else and they want to show it to me and they're excited about school and they feel confident and proud in their work. And I think that to me is the biggest indication that I'm doing something right.